If your Honda CR-V is sitting dead in the driveway, don't call the tow truck just yet. Statistically, 85% of starting failures in this model are linked to simple battery or terminal issues. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find the exact culprit. Start by ensuring you're in park and try holding your key fob directly against the push start button. The CR-V uses a relatively small battery that struggles in cold weather or if a relay sticks. If you hear a single sharp click but the engine doesn't turn, your starter motor is likely failing. If a jump start gets you moving, focus on the battery. If it doesn't, look at the starter or fuses. Costs range from a $25 relay to over $500 for a professional starter replacement. Check your ignition, fuses, and consider a professional load test to confirm your battery's health. You only need a 10mm wrench and a basic multimeter to handle most of these checks. Remember, cleaning your terminals is a free fix that solves a surprising number of electrical issues. Follow these steps and you'll have your CR-V back on the road in no time. Safe driving.